jacket, or you want to put it in the bag?
No.
Let me see how it looks first.
It's not for fashion, buddy.
Let me see how it looks first.
Jesus Christ.
You don't need a jacket, Sophia.
I want to bring a jacket.
For what?
I don't know. Yo.
I don't have a jacket, so I'm supposed to be cold. If it is cold, that's
You can wear mine.
And what are you gonna wear?
If you really get that cold, bring a jacket then. Bring a sweater, I guess.
No.
Okay then, no problem.
It's gonna be hot outside.
I wear a jacket even when it's hot. You should just spread the bed after.
Why do you need a jacket?
Why can I not wear a jacket? Oh, the AC. I gotta go pick out my hair, so I'll be back.
N43, that's fine, right?
Give me a bus card.
It's actually my first time since I've been in the USA.
So, relax. They're not going to trouble you. Relax. Pray to God these niggas don't attack me. I can't, yo, my pants low and I can't run now. Just in, relax. Bona,
These goats look different though. What kind of goats these are?
Like it? Yeah. Do you? Alright. This is nice though.
What are those called again?
What? A river?
The stream is.
I know that's a river.
You know water there? You know where the water that come from? The park over. Yesterday, the leaf. That's where it come from. You know that park, right? The plant.
Hi.
Aye.
Don't fall.
I feel. Let's go.
Good job, buddy.
I agree 100%.
Nobody can swim.
Walk and see. Yeah. I can only look through one at a time though for some reason.
Trust me, I'm taking.
I turn on.
Ah, that's so sweet.
We should look good enough. Can you don't have this one?
Oh, welcome, Uncle Shane.
Yeah, jump.
Wait, 1, 2, jump.